To install APK on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to load the source or app you use to install that APK. As the example, we will install APK that we have saved on the My Files app. To do so, open My Files app. Navigate to the folder where you save the APK you like to install. Or you can tap installation files under category section to view all APK files you have on your phone. Next, tap the desired APK file. By default, the permission to install unknown apps is disabled. That's why you will be informed that for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. However, if you like to continue installing the selected APK, tap Settings, and then tap the gray on-off switch next to Allow Permission. Tap Install on the pop-up to start installing the selected APK. When the installation is done, tap Done button to close the pop-up, or you can tap Open to open the app you have just installed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.